So, good morning everyone. I am Mr. Santiago Eliap and I will be your teacher for today for the math subject. And what we'll be going to tackle is about counting numbers and learning how to count numbers in a different way, which is for students with special needs, especially those who are visually impaired. For the for the objectives for this class, number one is to develop action steps to achieve the said topic. Second is learn how to count basic numbers. And third is interpret and apply what they will learn from this topic in their future experiences. So first, let us discuss what is counting numbers. So counting numbers, also called whole number or natural numbers, are those used to count physical objects in real world. They are integers that can be zero or positive. So, for some reason, students love counting. That is lucky because number are a basic part of almost any young learner's course, starting with counting up to 5 or 10 and moving on to money, dates, times, and the rest. So, there are 7 stages of teaching these numbers. First is counting to 10, counting down from 10 to 1, counting things, understanding and responding to spoken random numbers between 1 and 10, being able to say random numbers when shown or felt with the figure, recognizing and responding to numbers written out as words, numbers, word recognition or shape recognition, and last is being able to write the numbers. So, in a different manner, especially because we are teaching students who are visually impaired, so I have made these instructional materials or my own DIY instructional materials which will be used for demonstrating how to count those numbers from 1 to 10. So, first I will be discussing about the roles of each centavos or coins used in this instructional material. So, 5 centavo coin, 5 centavo coin represents 1. 25 centavo coin represents 2, and 1 peso coin represents 5. So, first, the first number is 1. So, to be able for the students who are visually impaired to be able to learn these numbers, they are able to feel the centavo which is attached in this cardboard, and they are going to feel if the centavo coin is small, big, or bigger, like that. So first I will let them touch the 5 centavo, 25 centavo, and the 1 peso coin used. So first is they're going to touch or feel this one, and if they recognize or remember this as I have instructed a while ago, that they're going to feel or touch this first, they're going to touch if the centavo coin is smaller or bigger, so they can identify what are used in counting these numbers. So I have provided here numbers from 1 to 10. So first is like this: 1, then 2, 5 centavo coin represents 2, 3 centavo coins represent 3, 4 centavo, 4 represents 2 25 centavo coins, which represents 2, 5 used with a 1 peso coin to represent 5, 6 represent with a 1 peso coin and a 5 centavo coin to represent 6, 7 with 2 5 centavo coin and 1 peso coin, 8 which has been used with 4 25 centavo coins, since 25 centavo coins represent 2, 9 which was represented with two 25 centavo coin and a 1 peso coin to represent 9, and 5 25 centavo coin to represent 10. So, to be able for the students who are visually impaired to memorize, recognize these cardboards that I have shown, one by one they will be um asked, or ano, recognize what has been used in this cardboard, so that they will be able to identify the numbers which will be provided to them. Then they can answer the application, which is a personal demonstration of how to count the numbers provided. So in the application there, I'm going to shuffle all the numbers, then they're going to fill those centavo and coins used, so that they can identify what numbers are being used. So that would be all, and thank you.